International Truck brings you Accelerated Service Express Diagnostics.
Hey, I need to bring my truck over. Engine's acting up. How long before you can take a look at it?
Well, I can get you an appointment at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Or we can get a look at it today if you want to bring it in now. We'll get you a diagnosis and a repair estimate within 2 hours, if that works for you.
Wow, that's fast.
Yes, that's our promise. We have an accelerated service lane dedicated to quick diagnosis and repair estimates.
Okay, that's great. Thanks. See you soon.
At International, we understand that downtime costs you and your business money. Our accelerated service lane will keep you moving with priority diagnostics, prompt communication, and the guarantee of a repair estimate within 2 hours. Here's how it works. Upon your vehicle's arrival at the dealer, specially trained Express Diagnostics technicians evaluate the vehicle and determine the repairs required. If it's determined that out-of-stock parts will be needed for the repair, they're ordered to be expedited and arrive as quickly as possible. You'll receive the diagnostics results and repair time estimate within the 2-hour window, and we keep you informed of progress. Plus, for many common repairs, the diagnosis and service can be completed within the 2-hour window. Also, your trucks and your business can keep moving. It's that simple. Contact your International Truck dealer for more information about Accelerated Service Express Diagnostics.